In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modernize and customize Microsoft Word's look and feel. We'll refresh the interface and fine-tune a few settings so Word looks cleaner, feels more modern, and helps you work with less visual clutter. Start by opening Microsoft Word. Head to the File menu in the top left corner, then scroll down and select Options at the bottom of the left panel. This opens the Word Options window, which is where most of the app's appearance and behavior settings live. In the General section, look for Office Theme. Choose Colorful for a lively interface that matches your Office apps, or pick Dark Gray or Black for a modern, low-contrast look that's easier on the eyes, especially if you work for long stretches. Keep in mind, this changes the app interface, not your document's page color, so your content remains unaffected. Just below, in the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office area, update the Office background to a cleaner or more stylish pattern. If you prefer minimal distractions, select a subtle background or none at all. A simpler backdrop reduces noise around your document and keeps your focus on the text. Next, switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll until you find two visual options. Show text wrapped within shapes and smooth edges of screen fonts. Turn both on. Wrapping text within shapes makes diagrams and callouts look polished and predictable, while smoothing font edges improves on-screen readability, especially on high-resolution displays. You'll notice your text looks crisper and more professional. Now go to the Customize Ribbon section. Here, you can remove buttons you don't use or add your favorites, so the commands you rely on are always within reach. Trim away tools that clutter your workspace and add the ones you use daily. A focused ribbon reduces clicks and keeps your workflow consistent. If you like, you can rearrange groups so your most used commands appear first, small changes that make a big difference over time. Finally, return to Word and open the Home tab to refine your default fonts, spacing, and styles for all future documents. Choose a modern, readable font pair, adjust the default font size, and set line spacing that suits your typical document, such as slightly expanded spacing for cleaner pages. Update the normal style and your heading styles to match, so your documents look cohesive from the start. When prompted, apply these changes to new documents based on the template so your preferences stick. Click OK to save your settings. With these adjustments, Word will look cleaner, feel more current, and support a smoother writing experience every time you open it.